If you commented cement on our previous video where we were discussing which are the best crowns for anterior restorations, then this video we'll discuss what is the difference between cementation and bonding of crowns. When we use a cement like GIC or a powder liquid form of cement, we simply retain the crown on top of the prep. This does not compensate for improper taper or improper axial height, but simply cements or retains the crown on top of the preparation. Whereas in case of Emax, which is a preferred restoration for anterior zone, we often have to bond the restoration because Emax cannot be cemented. So you have to treat the intaglio surface of the restoration and prepare the preparation also to receive the restoration and use a dual cure or a self cure resin to be able to bond the restoration on top of the preparation. This can somewhat compensate for improper taper and improper axial height, not completely, but is definitely superior to cementation. Now, most of the times for zirconia crowns, on the other hand, we often use cementation protocol, which is fairly great. But do you also know that zirconia crowns can also be bonded to the tooth structure by using certain techniques? If you are interested in learning zirconia bonding to the tooth structure, attend our mini series, which is the second lecture on Monday. Type zirconia in the comment section to register for the same.